counties in North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
Heavy rain will cause minor flooding. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations experience flooding include Hartford, Connecticut, Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, Hartford, Connecticut, Simsbury, Camden, Rocky Hill, Wethersfield,
A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately.
avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground.
The marine forecast for Long Island Sound.
At 4 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 11.3 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 8 a.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 12.5 feet around 1 p.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 8 p.m. Saturday. Impact at 12.0 feet. Water floods lowlands along the Still River. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. The heavy rain will cause flooding. The Westfield River has risen to near minor flood stage. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Westfield, Southampton, Huntington, Russell, West Hampton, Chester, Blandford, and Montgomery. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately.
For the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield and Litchfield, the National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Still River at Brookfield. From this morning until late tonight. At 4 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 11.3 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 8 a.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 12.5 feet around 1 p.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 8 p.m. Saturday. Impact at 12.0 feet. Water floods lowlands along the Still River. Here are the 6 a.m.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Tonic River at Falls Village from Sunday morning until further notice. At 6 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 5.4 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by 8 a.m. Sunday and continue to rise to near 7.5 feet by 2 a.m. Monday. Impact at 8.0 feet. The water reaches Riverside Road at Kent School and floods the picnic area along Route 7 near Housatonic Meadows. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Tonic River at Gaylord from this evening until late Monday night. At 6 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 6.8 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 11 p.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 8.3 feet around 8 p.m. Sunday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 8 p.m. Monday. Impact at 8.0 feet. Flood stage. Water reaches New Milford Foundry and Youngfield Street. The Hartford Bremen.
For the following counties, Litchfield, Connecticut, the National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Gruesome Tonic River at Falls Village from Sunday morning until further notice. At 6 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 5.4 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by 8 a.m. Sunday and continue to rise to near 7.5 feet by 2 a.m. Monday. Impact at 8.0 feet. The water reaches Riverside Road to Kent School and floods the picnic area along Route 7 near Housatonic Meadows. For the following county, Litchfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Gaylordsville from this evening until late Monday night. At 6 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 6.8 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 11 p.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 8.3 feet around 8 p.m. Sunday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 8 p.m. Monday. Impact at 8.0 feet. Flood stage. Water reaches New Milford Foundry and Youngfield Street. Here is the...
There we go.
Stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 7 a.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 11.6 feet around 8 p.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 10 a.m. Monday. Impact at 11.5 feet. Water reaches the Maples area of Shelton. The Hartford-Brainerd Climate Center.
For the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Stevenson Dam from this morning until Monday afternoon. At 5 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 9.8 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 7 a.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 11.6 feet around 8 p.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 10 a.m. Monday. Impact at 11.5 feet. Water reaches the Maples area of Shelton. For the following areas. For the following county, Hartford, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a flood warning for small streams in central Hartford County until 10:45 a.m. At 7:43 a.m., automated rain gauges indicated that flooding continues to occur on area streams, including the north branch of the Park River. Though heavy rain has ended, streams will be below minor flood stage.
Some locations that will experience flooding include
Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, East Hartford, Glastonbury, Newington, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Bloomfield, Avon, and Plainville. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately. The Bridgeport, Connecticut climate summary for yes or no. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Connecticut River at Hartford.
Shit.
From late tonight until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 11:30 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 9.8 feet. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flood at Mount Sinai. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 19.4 feet by late evening tomorrow. Impact at 19.0 feet. Flooding of low-lying areas below Hartford is expected, especially in areas that are outside of levee protection. Flooding also affects low-lying areas upstream of Hartford, including a portion of Windsor where the Farmington River empties into the Connecticut River. Further downstream, flooding closes most of Meadow Road, Route 17 in Portland. Flooding impacts the Middletown Marina and Meadow Farms. In Cromwell, portions of River Road will be closed. Flooding continues along the river through Essex. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Monday, the flood warning continues from Monday night. East to northeast winds from 10 p.m. Saturday until late Monday night. At 11 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 6.2 feet. Flood stage is 7 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. For the following forecast, the river is forecast to rise above flood. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Connecticut River at Middletown. From Sunday morning until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 11:55 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 4.6 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage by tomorrow morning and continue to rise to 8.9 feet by early afternoon until late Monday. Impact at 9.5 Saturday. Flooding closes most of Meadow Road, Route 17 in the Gildersleeve section of Portland. Flooding impacts the Middletown Marina and Meadow Farms. In Cromwell, portions of River Road will be closed. In Rocky Hill, parts of Meadow Road will be impassable for a time. Flooding continues along the river southward through Essex. Flooding also affects low-lying areas upstream of Hartford, including a portion of Windsor where the Farmington River empties into the Connecticut River. Further downstream, flooding closes most of Meadow Road, Route 17 in Portland. Flooding impacts the Middletown Marina and Meadow Farms. In Cromwell, portions of River Road will be closed. Flooding continues along the river through Essex. The coastal waters forecast from March is in Montauk Point, New York, outside marine forecast for Long Island Sound. Gale warning in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For this afternoon, west winds 25 to 30 knots with gusts seas 3 to 5 feet.
Excuse me, Upton, you only relayed one of them.
For tonight, west winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 35 knots.
Wow, Upton.
Cloudy, and temperatures were between 54 and 59 degrees. Finally, for the area waters. At New Haven Harbor, northwest winds at 14 knots, gusting to 21 knots were reported. The temperature was 59 degrees and the sea surface temperature was 61 degrees.
Upton, you were supposed to relay two.
Coastal weather shore reports on Long Island Sound. If available,
You were supposed to relay two river flood warnings, not just one.
wind was west at 12 miles an hour. At Norwalk, temperature was 54 degrees. Wind was west at 28 miles an hour. For the following county, Hartford, Connecticut, the National Weather Service in Boston Norton has extended the flood warning for small streams in central Hartford County until 2:45 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., the north branch of the Park River in Hartford was continuing to fall above flood stage. Some locations
Wow, Upton,
flooding include
you're really slacking it on the warnings today.
Hartford, East Hartford,
Are you serious? I jinxed it!
Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 19.4 feet by late evening tomorrow. Impact at 19.0 feet. Flooding of low-lying areas below Hartford is expected, especially in areas that are outside of levee protection. Flooding also affects low-lying areas upstream of Hartford, including a portion of Windsor where the Farmington River empties into the Connecticut River. Further downstream, flooding closes most of Meadow Road, Route 17 in Portland. Flooding impacts the Middletown Marina and Meadow Farms. In Cromwell, portions of River Road will be closed. Flooding continues along the river through Essex. For the following county, Middlesex, Connecticut, the National Boston Norton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Connecticut River and Lake Ohio. From Sunday morning until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 11:55 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 4.6.
So, apparently,
I fucking jinxed Upton's logic!
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Wappingers Creek and Wappingers Falls from this evening until late tonight. At 2 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 7.7 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 6 p.m. Saturday and forecast to continue to rise to near 8.1 feet around 6 p.m. Saturday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 9 p.m. Saturday. Impact at 8.0 feet. Minor flooding and water begins to flood nearby homes. Winds west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per
Okay,
hour.
looks like another flood warning is about to come in.
With a temperature of 54 at Poughkeepsie, 53 at White Plains, and 53 at winds 30 to 40 knots, becoming west. Seas 11 to 18 feet. Numerous showers and isolated thunderstorms with visibility will not allow the National Weather Service in Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Connecticut River at Fountainville from late tonight to Monday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 13.4 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise near 15.4 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Monday morning. Impact at 15.0 feet. Low-end flooding will begin along the Connecticut River near Thompsonville.
There's Thompsonville. Oh, it's Thompsonville. Yeah, Simsbury.
The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Farmington River at Simsbury from late tonight to Sunday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 9.7 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 12.3 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow early afternoon. Impact at 12.0 feet. Flooding begins on Riverside Road in Simsbury. Flooding also begins along Old Bridge and Drake Hill Roads. And now the hourly information for the Here on the 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Springfield, Taunton, Boston, Plymouth, Fall River, New Bedford, and Metropolis. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Farmington River at Simsbury from late tonight to Sunday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 9.7 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 12.3 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow early afternoon. Impact at 12.0 feet. Flooding begins on Riverside Road in Simsbury. Flooding also begins along Old Bridge and Drake Hill Roads.
There's one more coming.
For the following county, legal section.
Or not.